Hey, it's Up North Guy with another how-to video. This time it's about how to clear a stuck garbage disposal, and particularly when you don't have the tool to do it. I found myself in this situation recently and wanted to share a DIY hack on how to clear this. First of all, you don't need to call the plumber. These are pretty easy things to clear, so don't think, hey, I got to get a plumber involved. It costs a lot of money to get a garbage disposal unstuck. First thing you want to do is just make sure it's all drained out. So get all the water out of it. If you got to scoop it out of there, fine. Don't stick your hand down in the garbage disposal and then turn the power on. That would really be a bad thing to do. Keep your hands out of there when the power is on. Get it cleared out, get all the water drained out. Now there is a tool that's used to clear these garbage disposals out. It looks something like this. It's a little wrench that goes this way and then the other way. There's normally another side that's just looking like that on this side of it. So it looks something like this. This is not the tool, but you want to find this. Generally that's going to come with your garbage disposal, but if you're like me and like most people, you probably saw it once when you first bought the thing, and then if it's not taped here to the garbage disposal or to the side, then it's likely lost, which is what the case was for mine. Now, not to worry, it's not really any kind of a special tool at all. All it is a simple Allen wrench, and on mine it's a 1/4 inch. So you get any Allen wrench that fits. You can try 1/4 inch to start. It may be slightly different for your model of garbage disposal, but it's generally a size like that. We're just going to stick it right up inside this hole here. There's a hole right in the center there. That's right here. That's where it's going to go in. We're going to wiggle it around, and that for most cases is going to be able to free open that stuck garbage disposal. Why do these garbage disposals get stuck? Normally there's too much food that goes down in there, or there might be a piece of glass, something like that, that gets caught inside those blades that are inside there. The other thing that can happen, especially when you're up north and it's a lake house, maybe you're not using it very often, the water is so hard, it actually hardens up on the inside there. So here's my 1/4 inch Allen wrench, and you can see it's just a hexagonal tool here, very common tool. You can get these pretty much anywhere. I got this one marked with a tape here because that's the one that fits my garbage disposal. And all you want to do here is just stick this thing up underneath into that hole like this, push it all the way up in there, and just twist this thing around. Just twist around both sides. You can push it pretty hard if you need to, but just get it up in there and move that center piece around. That's normally going to free up pretty much anything that's in there. Come up here, run a little cold water down there. Garbage disposal unstuck. Another thing that can happen with it is sometimes you flick that power switch and just nothing happens. There's no sound at all. The motor's not running at all. People may think, oh, the power's out or the garbage disposal needs to be replaced. That's usually not the case. If we go underneath here again, there's going to be a little red reset button, which is this one right here. If this thing is popped down, or even if it isn't, you have any kind of electrical issue, that's a breaker that's inside of the motor here itself. So just push up on that and hold it and reset it, and most of the time that's going to turn the power back on to your garbage disposal. And check out my channel, it's Up North Guy on YouTube. I got more how-to videos, product reviews, life and living up here, beautiful northern Michigan. Appreciate everybody who subscribes. It's easy to do, just click the subscribe button. You'll stay up to date on all the Up North Guy stuff. If you're looking for some awesome Up North t-shirt and apparel designs, check out my store on tpublic.com. There are many styles, colors, and sizes to choose from, and I'm donating all my artist net proceeds to local charities. So you're doing something good for yourself and others in need when you shop my store. To get access to the Up North Guy store and some amazing discounts, see the specific link in the video description for this video.